Hashtag when your kids hijack your film studio.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, where we talk all about life, food, family, and fun.
If you are interested in these things, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss any videos. I post every Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay, let's get into today's video. Today is an update on our puppy Cosette. We've had her for 2 months, and she is 5 months old.
She's learned so many new things, so let's go check it out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed our puppy update. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
And until next time, stay inspired. And we will see you in the next video.
See you, ladies!
I feel like